In the realm of artificial intelligence, a revolutionary model called CLIP, or Contrastive Language Image Pre-training, is making waves. Developed by OpenAI, CLIP understands images and text together, bridging the gap between these domains. Unlike traditional models, CLIP learns from a massive dataset of text and image pairs scraped from the internet. This enables CLIP to analyze images and associate them with relevant textual descriptions. Imagine showing CLIP a picture of a dog playing fetch. CLIP can describe it as a happy golden retriever fetching a ball in the park. This nuanced understanding stems from learning from diverse internet data. By analyzing millions of examples, CLIP understands relationships between visual concepts and text. This opens up exciting new possibilities for various AI applications. At the heart of CLIP's capabilities lies contrastive learning. CLIP is presented with images and text descriptions. It identifies which text best matches each image. Both are converted into mathematical embeddings. These embeddings capture semantic meaning. CLIP learns to distinguish correct from incorrect pairings. Training on millions of examples, it becomes accurate. Unlike traditional models, CLIP learns from raw data. Its zero-shot learning is remarkable. CLIP performs tasks without specific training. For example, it can classify flower images accurately. The implications of CLIP's capabilities extend far beyond just understanding images and text. Its ability to bridge the gap between these two domains has significant implications for various industries. One area where CLIP is already making a mark is in search engines. Imagine searching for a photo of a cat wearing a hat and getting highly accurate results, even if the images themselves aren't tagged with those specific keywords. CLIP's ability to understand the semantic meaning of your query allows it to retrieve images that match your intent, even if they aren't explicitly labeled as such. CLIP's impact on social media platforms is another exciting development. With its ability to understand the context and sentiment of images, CLIP can be used to moderate content more effectively, identifying and flagging inappropriate or harmful images, even if they haven't been previously flagged by users. This has the potential to create a safer and more inclusive online experience for everyone. Section 4. CLIP in our world. Beyond search engines and social media, CLIP is poised to revolutionize a wide range of applications. In the field of AI assistance, CLIP can be used to develop more intuitive and helpful assistants that can understand and respond to visual cues. Imagine asking your AI assistant to find me a recipe that uses those ripe bananas on the counter, and having it successfully identify the bananas in your image, and suggest relevant recipes. Furthermore, CLIP's capabilities have significant implications for autonomous systems. Self-driving cars, for instance, can leverage CLIP's understanding of visual scenes to navigate more safely and efficiently. By recognizing objects and understanding their relationships within an image, self-driving cars can make more informed decisions on the road. From improving medical diagnoses by analyzing medical images to aiding in scientific discoveries by analyzing complex visual data, CLIP is opening up new frontiers in AI and its applications. Section 5. The future through CLIP's eyes. As CLIP continues to evolve, its impact on AI technology and human-computer interaction is only expected to grow. Its ability to learn from vast amounts of unlabeled data has the potential to democratize AI, making it more accessible to developers and researchers without access to large, labeled datasets. This could lead to a surge in innovative AI applications across various domains. Moreover, CLIP's ability to bridge the gap between visual and textual understanding could pave the way for more seamless and intuitive interactions between humans and machines. Imagine a future where you can communicate with your devices using a combination of natural language and visual cues, making technology more accessible and user-friendly for everyone. As CLIP continues to learn and evolve, it holds the key to unlocking a future where AI understands our world as we do, leading to a new era of technological advancements and human-computer collaboration.